We're getting hail, folks. Listen to that. Oh my goodness. Look at them power lines bouncing around. Leaves coming off the trees. Oh my goodness. Just as soon as it starts, it stops. That's some of the most intense hail I've been in a while. Wow. Let's take a look out the front here. That's looking south. There's my car. Look at the hail on the ground. It looks like I might be lucky. I parked under that tree, and I believe it protected my car, as you can see on the street there. So, boy, I hope so. You can see the hail running down the sidewalk there. That was intense. Wow. All I gotta say to that is wow. Look over there, you can see the leaves on top of the roof of that garage directly south of me.